Hello friends, welcome to Shiny Colors Fine Art classes. This is Rashmi here, and in the Tuesday tutorial oil painting series is going on. Last week we learned about the morning sun, and today we are going to learn hillside lake. So in this video I am going to explain you the technique and texture of the rock covered by the snow and the lake reflection and some pine trees. Before we start the video, I have a request with you. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to on the bell icon so that you will get the notification for my future videos. Let's begin the lesson. So let us start. See, I have taken a canvas. It's a 24 into 24 inches square canvas, and I am giving the white wash. I'm making it wet on wet. So especially the sky part that is there, I'm making it white, and the mountain part I'll make it dark. So see, wherever the sky is there, I have taken the blue color, cobalt blue, and I'm leaving the place for the clouds. I mean white space for the cloud. I'm using the bigger brush so that I can go fast. Now I've added in the blue color, I've added the orange color to make it a little dark, and I'm making the hill shape. I'll quickly make the hill shape, and these are the behind back mountains. Those are lighter, so I use the same blue color. So because these are behind, we have to make it light. They should not be as dark as the front mountain, and the bottom clouds also will be little lighter. So just give the texture because they are far, and again they will be hidden with the tree, but still we have to give some complete version of our background also, because they can be seen behind those trees also. So that's why we cannot leave them unfinished. We have to make the layer by layer painting finished. As we move upward, we have to give the finished effect in the backside also. So let us finish the bigger hill, bigger mountain first, and I'm making that blue and orange gray color here, making a little dark on the bottom. So as I told you in my previous videos also, because oil painting dries later on, we should take a benefit of that, and we can get a very nice and beautiful creamy effect. That blending comes so well in oil painting. That's the reason I like more oil painting than the acrylic. I do acrylic also. It is also very good because it dries fast, so it has a different benefit. But in the oil, because it dries late, we have a lot of, enough chance to learn more, to learn about the blending, to learn about the colors. So what I have done here, I made the texture with the flat brush, and now I'm giving the knife effect for the snow. So the mountain is somewhere covered with the snow, not everywhere. So the area that is coming in the contact of light where the snow is shining more. So I'm using titanium white color for that. And my hand is very light. When I'm using the knife, take the less color and your hand should be very light. Okay, it should not be very uh, pressurized stroke. Okay, my stroke is very light, just I'm touching my knife on the canvas, and it is slowly I am going. So slowly I'm making that snow path that is actually moving downward. And to give the gradual effect till down, I'm using the brush. Now again, on the back side, light is reaching less, so it is dark. So for the darker area, I'm giving the texture with my brush. So I have taken the color in the tip of my brush and I'm giving that vertical effect, vertical texture that will give you that cracks and the uh, vertical texture on the rock side, somewhere vertical, somewhere horizontal, you can see. So as a reference picture, wherever I'm seeing the vertical effect, so I'm giving the vertical effect, and wherever I'm seeing the horizontal, I'm giving the horizontal effect. I'm using the brush for the texture and a knife for the snow. Again, somewhere I'm using brush also for the snow, and see where the darkness is there, where the depth is there. Based on that, I'm using the vertical and horizontal effect using my brush. And you can see the mountain has already started to look so beautiful. I'm making a little turquoise color because in the back side, the reflected light is coming and you can see a little greenish effect here. So I'm quickly giving the texture and quickly giving the values. Wherever is the dark, wherever is light, I'm giving that value. You know, value is what? Value is giving the lighter and darker tone on the flat surface to look at 3D. Right, so if you want to learn more about the values, I have posted many videos on sketching and videos. You can see my Friday Fun tips videos where I have explained all about the technical part that is there. So please see those videos also. You will learn a lot in those videos because all the technical values, angles, and sketching related concepts, principles of art I explained there. So I'm continuing in the same way that I was doing earlier. I'm continuing the same technique to make my mountain clearer more and more. And now see, it is looking so beautiful. Adding more color, like somewhere I'm adding brown and somewhere I'm adding blue. Brown is to look more of the rocky effect. Blue is to more darker effect. So blue represents shade, as you know. And so blue where I'm using wherever it is more dark. And as the light source is sun, so the mountain is lighter on the top, and as it is going down, it is becoming dark. So when you do any painting, you do oil color, you do acrylic color, the art principles are important. So we have to follow those art principles in each and every painting. So here also I'm applying all those light and shade concepts to look my hill little 3D, and you can see little it is started to look so beautiful. So gradually you have to go down, and as we are going down, I'm making it dark. And again, one more reason, as the hills go down, you can see the heat of the earth will be there, so there will be less snow. So this is not the snow time, but because of the height, the temperature of the mountain will be lesser, so that's why the snow is there. And as it is coming down, there will be less snow. So this is also the reason in the bottom part of the mountain is little darker. It's almost done. See how beautiful it has come. Now we have to move on to the other side. So I'm just making some trees part dark that I will finish later on. So now again move on to the upper area, and I'm mixing little purplish color. So took cobalt and crimson and adding little white to make the hill. So the purplish actually looks like grayish, and I added little burnt sienna as well. So the same color that I have used in the top also, little burnt sienna. So I'm quickly mixing it, burnt sienna and little purplish color that I made. I have given the color mixing video also in my Tuesday tutorial. So please see that video in my channel. You can find it, and I can give the link in the description box also. So please check that video. It is very useful video that how to mix the color. I explained that very well. Now see, I'm giving the little darker effect. These are the far trees on the hill, small and far trees on the hill. So you can see rest of the area is slopey and dusty, and those trees are on the hill going upward. Now I have to color the lake. So for the lake, I took turquoise green. If you don't have turquoise, you can mix a little viridian green and white and cobalt blue. So that's how you can make the turquoise blue, turquoise green or turquoise blue color. So this is basically a turquoise green. So viridian green is a very beautiful color. If you mix it with the white, you can get that color. So the bottom area of the lake will be a little dark because it shows the depth, and the upper area is light because the sky is reflecting. So the light is reflecting on the surface of the water. Here the small lake reflection is coming in the water. Definitely in the water the reflection will be there if some object or something is there just beside of the water. So we can see the reflection, so that lake is also getting the reflection of the hills. So that also I made. See how beautiful it is looking. Now we have to start the tree part. So see, I'm using the brush and I took the color in the tip of my brush, and then I am going. So see, I'm a little fast, but you can see the strokes clearly. I'm using the tip of the brush and making the vertical lines. As we are going nearer, so these are far trees. Okay, as we are coming nearer, the trees are becoming bigger. Now because these are the pine trees, so I have to make the branches as well. These are the nearer trees. Nearer trees are little more detailed. So as we are going down, the trees are becoming little dense and little darker because it is a cluster of trees, so they are overlapping on each other, and that's how we see the trees. If the trees are a little dense, we cannot see the see-through areas. So see here, I explained how to make the tree on a flat paper. You can see how it has to go. So now I'm again mixing the color that is green plus burnt sienna for the tree. Green I have taken sap green. Okay. So now this side the strokes are a little different. You see the trees are going upward. Same way last time I was doing the straight stroke, and this time same technique is same, only the branch direction is upward. So that's how I'm making the upward strokes like this. See. One more. I left it in the middle because I have to make little more front tree. So this is the back tree. The tree that I'm making now, that is in the front. So these front tree branches will come in the front of the other tree. So that's why I left that in the middle. Now I'm making and giving the detail. See now again the smaller trees are there. Now I'm giving some of the highlights. So some the front tree will get light from the sun, and because it is the nearmost, we can see little more depth and highlight both. So for the light color, what I have done in the dark color that I have already used in that, the dark color is sap green plus burnt sienna, and I mixed white in that, not yellow, because yellow looks little neon kind of color when you use, especially when you are giving the highlight. So I used white instead, and I like white more. See how beautiful it is, giving the effect of highlights and the light on the tree falling. So this is the front tree, more big, so you can see the back tree is already hidden, and that's why I left that time. My painting is all done. You can see how beautiful it turned out. Thank you for watching.